In 2015, I was done with LV. Welcome to the Handbag Heaven. Today, I am going to take you down memory lane and show you the top 10 limited edition Louis Vuitton bags, or at least we're going to cover the ones that are in my collection. I did a recent video on Louis Vuitton limited rare bags. In this video, I'm covering all of the limited edition Louis Vuitton bags that's in my collection. In 2015, I was done with LV, or at least I thought I was, until 2017 when they released the Ramadan Collection. The collection included several bags, but I was only interested in one particular bag, and that is the pochette Matisse. So this particular bag is reverse monogram as well as leather, and I love the design. I am so glad that I waited to get the pochette Matisse in this colorway. I love styling this bag with exotic patterns. After 2017, I took a little break till 2021 when the Glam collection was released. This collection includes a lot of goodies, but I had my eyes set on one particular bag, and that is the Vanity PM. I was already looking to purchase the Vanity PM, but I didn't want to just get monogram. I also got the Kirigami set. Now, I don't have the other pouches. I sold those, but I kept the large pouch. After styling and using both, I've decided that I want to sell the Kirigami. If you're interested in purchasing the Kirigamis, then check out my Poshmark. The link is listed in the description. Moving on to number 3, in the spring and summer of 2021, the By the Pool collection was released, and there was so many bags in this collection that I wanted. I ended up with 2 pieces from this collection. One is the multi-pouch set. I only have the large pouch for this one. I sold the other smaller pouch because I don't really like that look. I also got another Kirigami from this collection, and I absolutely love this one. I added this little cover with the D-rings to turn it into a crossbody. I also picked up some additional accessories like the bandole, and I have the wedge sandals, but I ended up selling the Toiletry 26. I love styling this bag with some of my beach looks. I spend a lot of time at the beach. So number 4 is going to be the Wild at Heart collection released in the fall of 2021. So I like animal print, but with this collection, because the print was so large, I really wasn't interested in any of the larger bags. I thought that would be just too much. So I was looking for a smaller piece from this collection. I ended up getting the Felici Strap and Go. I always wanted a Felici, and I thought this was the perfect one to get. I had also purchased the Toiletry 26 from this collection, but I ended up selling it. Honestly, I just got tired of the print. I don't know, it was something about this print on like a larger canvas that I don't like. I like it on the smaller, like the Felici Strap and Go, but I don't like it on the bigger bags and items. I thought the toiletry would be small enough that I would like it, but over some time I didn't really like it, so I ended up selling it. Also, during the fall and winter, the Christmas animations were released, and I got this cute little pouch. My essay called me about this, and I was like, yes, I wanted it. I use it a lot. I'm so glad that I actually purchased this piece. Then the Cruise collection was released, and the side trunk debuted, and I was definitely smitten with this bag. So I ended up getting this side trunk. Now, I did not get it when it first released. I actually more recently added this to my collection, but I had it on my list ever since I saw it on the runway, and I knew I had to have it. I love styling this bag. So I actually chose this over the monogram canvas that was released. I chose it for a specific reason, so check out my Keeping Up with the Collection video where I explain why. And there was the Ramadan collection that was released in 2023, and I got this beauty. This is the glitter glam bag. So I styled this for my Throwback Thursday on last week. So this bag is not just limited edition, it is also rare. I did a recent video talking about this and other limited rare bags, so check out that video. So for the summer of 2023, the Nanogram collection was released. They also released this in that clutch bag as well, but I decided to go with something smaller. I actually went with the Victorine wallet because I don't like the Nanogram print on larger bags. Again, I have this little thing, I don't know what it is, but I just felt like it would be too much, too busy on a larger bag, so I got a little SLG. So here's how I styled it. I actually converted the SLG into a little mini bag. So pre-fall of 2023, LV released the Glam collection. I ended up getting my first Nano Speedy, and I am so excited, so happy to have it. It is so beautiful. It has like a rainbow effect on it. This is a cute little bag. So I love blinging up this bag, even though it's very sparkly on its own. I still like to style it with items that make it bling even more. Last but not least, in the fall of 2023, Louis Vuitton released the Monogram collection. There were several canvas pieces in this collection, and I absolutely love that beige monogram colorway. So I knew I wanted to get a piece from this collection, but I wasn't the biggest fan of the sign plastered on the front of the bag. So I knew I just didn't want to get a large bag with that sign on it. So I wanted to find something small and cute. I originally got the zippy wallet, but then when I saw the cosmetic pouch, I definitely had to have it. So I returned that zippy wallet and got this cosmetic pouch. And I am so happy that I did. So this completes my entire limited edition collection for LV. It's a pretty diverse collection. None of the bags are neutral. None of the bags are quiet luxury. What can I say? My style is purse anal. As you know, LV is always dropping new collections with limited pieces. Check out my latest video on the Demi-Licious collection. Let's talk in the comments. Let me know your favorite LV collection this far. Also share any limited edition pieces that you have in your collection. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Click that notification bell to be notified of new videos. And follow me on Instagram. This is where I post a lot of my collection. Thanks for watching.